Wagwan, welcome back to this channel where every day is a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Dominic Richards, and today we're going to be continuing in our series where we're looking at the teachings of Jesus. Now, before we go any further, if you haven't done so already or you're new to this channel, go ahead, hit the like button, drop a comment, share the video, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, set the notifications to all so you never miss another video. Speaking of which, videos are dropped every morning at 5 a.m. So go ahead, subscribe, share it, and stay tuned. Now, want to go grab your Bible? Because we are going to the Word.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today we are going to read from the Gospel of Mark, from verses 15 to 17. And it reads, After Jesus and him follower them reached Jerusalem, him go in a God house and start fling out all of the people them where they in there a buy and sell. The people them where they change out money, Jesus pitch over for them table and turn over the chair for all who did there a sell dove. And him wouldn't make nobody carry goods going at the yard where God house there. After this, him start teach the people them. Him say, it no write down in a God word say, for me house I go be one house where people from all over the world come for pray. But una take it turn one idol thief. God word this. Stay blessed.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.